When I talk about chocolate muffins, people always assume they're super delicious, but with high calories and carbs, these muffins are not so diet friendly, and even they're not on diet, they cannot have more than one each time. But that's not that true. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li Ming. Today I'm gonna be making the delicious and healthy banana chocolate muffins. This banana chocolate muffin recipe, it lowers a lot the calories, carbs, cholesterol, sugar, and saturated fat, which are good for health, and also they're diet friendly. And believe me, I have made so many times. They are super delicious and also super easy to make. We only need 6 ingredients: almond flour, almond milk, banana, baking powder, cocoa powder, and of course chocolate. And as usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. Now let's get started. First, let's smash these bananas. You want to use the ripe bananas because we want the sweetness from the bananas. And also, if you don't have this smasher, you can always use forks to smash the bananas. Okay, now our bananas are good. And next, we are gonna chop the chocolates. I use this 90% cocoa dark chocolate. Take one piece from this dark chocolate and then chop them into small pieces. The higher cocoa percentage it has, the lower saturated fat it gets. Let's mix all the dry ingredients together. This is baking powder, cocoa powder, and this almond flour. You can substitute it with all flour or whole wheat flour. 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add them into half cup almond flour. Mix them together. This is a half cup of almond milk. Pour it into the smashed banana. Mix them a bit, just stirring. Now we fold this dry ingredients mixture into the white ingredients. And then mix them together. Don't forget to drop some chocolate chips here. Now they are well mixed. Then this batter is ready. Now we drop the batter to the cups in the baking pan and to 50%, half full. We want to add some surprises heart into the muffins. Now we fill rest of the batter into the cups. Make it to 70 or 80% full. And sprinkle the chocolate dust. Now they are ready to be baked off at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The whole room is full of the chocolate smell. It smells so great. And look at this. Wow. I cannot wait. It smells so great. Let's cool down for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It smells so chocolate I'm a chocolate lover. I cannot resist. It's so good. I can mind-freely take this whole piece or all these 6 at once because there is only about 50 calories and less than 3 gram carbs in each of this muffin. And it's delicious. I think I have 2 bananas. One of it is a little bit larger than the regular size. So the muffin itself, the center, is a little bit white. But I think it's good for me. I'm fine with it. If you really don't like the white texture, make sure that you just get the regular size bananas. Or if you have bigger size bananas, you can just reduce a bit of the oat milk or whatever milk you use, so that the texture will be dry and soft, and it's delicious. I hope you like my recipe and love my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and also please comment down below on your favorite muffins and subscribing for more. See you real soon in my next video. Bye!